In the brutal calculus of close quarters combat, there used to be an ironclad rule. You either paid the premium for absolute reliability, or you compromised your survival on a budget. But the 2026 tactical landscape has shattered that reality. We are witnessing an unprecedented paradigm shift, where the expiration of legendary third-generation patents and the ruthless efficiency of modern, automated machining have democratized top-tier performance. What was once exclusively locked behind a $1,000 price tag like match-grade, flat-face triggers, direct milled optic cuts, and serialized chassis systems is now actively dominating the sub-$700 market. Today, we are dissecting the top 5 affordable 9mm sidearms that prove you no longer need to empty your bank account to defend your home and maintain an uncompromising tactical advantage. Number 5. The Palmetto State Armory Dagger Compact. In the tactical space, history is written by those who adapt. Palmetto State Armory watched the expiration of the Austrian third-generation patents and executed a masterstroke of mass production. They stripped away the premium branding and engineered a polymer striker fired 9mm that mirrors the combat-proven reliability of its European ancestor at exactly half the cost. This is the ultimate commoditization of the compact sidearm. Mechanics dictate survival, and the dagger rectifies the sins of the past. It abandons the flexible plastic guide rods for a solid single-piece stainless steel unit. Palmetto completely eradicated the polarizing finger grooves that plagued earlier models, replacing them with an aggressive wrap-around texture and a heavily undercut trigger guard that lets your firing hand choke up high on the frame. When you press the trigger, the stainless steel slide finished in durable diamond like carbon cycles, with the heavy mechanical certainty of an industrial piston absorbing the chaotic energy of the blast. But budget supremacy comes with a tax. The deal breaker here is the hinged trigger shoe. Straight from the factory, the initial pull is noticeably gritty and demands a heavy break-in period before it smooths out. Furthermore, that improved frame geometry means standard molded holsters will not fit securely, forcing you to source platform-specific retention gear. Still, for the sheer capability it offers, this tool dominates the entry-level tier at roughly $299 to $349. Number 4. The Taurus GX4 Carry T.O.R.O. For years, the Brazilian manufacturer fought an uphill battle against a reputation for subpar quality. But the GX4 series represents an absolute renaissance, a turning point where budget constraints met premium material science. As the tactical paradigm shifts toward micro-compact crossovers, this 15-round powerhouse erases the boundary between economy and elite defense. At its core, the structural integrity relies on an internal stainless steel chassis embedded deep within the polymer frame. When the 9mm cartridge detonates, this rigid skeleton actively fights the violent torque and polymer flex, keeping the slide to frame tolerances incredibly tight. Taurus treats the barrel with a vacuum-applied diamond-like carbon finish, creating an ultra-hard surface that laughs at corrosive sweat and carbon fouling. Firing this weapon feels like driving a precision machine as the double recoil spring seamlessly absorbs the kinetic shockwave, while the heavy-duty gas nitrated slide slams back into battery with the solid thud of a bank vault. But there is a glaring tactical compromise. The deal breaker here is the takedown process. In a relentless pursuit of a completely snag-free profile, Taurus omitted a standard takedown lever. Disassembling this weapon in the field requires a flathead screwdriver to rotate a specialized pin. In an era of toolless field stripping, this is an undeniable mechanical frustration. Yet with top-tier metallurgy usually reserved for custom shop builds, you are looking at an astonishing street price of $369 to $450. Number 3. The Canik METE MC9 Prime. The Turkish powerhouse recognized a critical strategic necessity and established a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in West Palm Beach, Florida. By bringing production directly to American soil, they bypassed restrictive import regulations and launched a full-scale assault on domestic micro-compacts. When you compress a 17-round capacity into a frame under 5.5 inches tall, the physics of a 9mm detonation dictate a violently snappy recoil impulse. To tame this beast, Canik engineered an integrated expansion chamber with 3 distinct ports bleeding high-pressure gases straight upward before the projectile ever leaves the muzzle. Newton's laws take over violently, thrusting the muzzle downward and cutting the brutal upward torque in half. Firing high-velocity defense loads through this ported barrel sounds like a whip crack, with the reciprocating slide cycling so fast it feels like an untamed race gun barely contained in your palm. The flat-faced aluminum trigger breaks at an incredibly crisp 4.5 pounds, resetting with a tactile metallic click. But early adopters paid a heavy price. The deal breaker here involves severe teething issues in the initial production runs. An overly stiff 14-pound factory striker spring robbed the recoil system of vital kinetic energy, leading to frequent failures to return to battery. Operators were forced to swap in lighter aftermarket springs just to keep the slide from choking mid-cycle. If you secure a 2026 model, this compensated monster commands a street price of $509 to $570. Number 2. The Ruger RXM. In a highly calculated maneuver, Ruger and Magpul forged a historic alliance to completely redefine modular architecture. They took the legendary open-source mechanics of the 3rd-generation Austrian sidearm and evolved it into a customizable powerhouse. Instead of a rigid permanent frame, the RXM utilizes a serialized stainless steel fire control insert. This brilliance means the outer Magpul enhanced handgun grip is just an unregulated accessory, allowing you to hot swap grip modules without bureaucratic hurdles. Ruger fortified the alloy steel slide with a ferritic nitrocarburizing treatment, diffusing carbon and nitrogen deep into the metal for supreme wear resistance. When you send rounds downrange, the aggressively textured frame and deep bever tail lock into your hand, forcing the reciprocating mass to cycle in a brutal linear rhythm that actively crushes muzzle rise. The slide features an ingenious direct mount dowel pin system, completely eliminating the weak points of traditional optic adapter plates. But flying this close to the sun brings intense heat. The deal breaker here is massive regulatory friction. Because the internal geometry perfectly mirrors its Austrian inspiration, the RXM is theoretically capable of accepting restricted automatic conversion devices. This mechanical vulnerability recently caused a state attorney general to threaten aggressive legal action demanding a total internal redesign. Despite the looming political storm, you can secure this modular beast for a street price of $399 to $450. Number 1. The CZ-P10C Ported Edition. For generations, the Czech Republic has forged some of the most indomitable combat weapons on the planet. The P10C carries that heavy bloodline directly into the 2026 tactical space. This is a polymer striker-fired sidearm so ruthlessly dependable that the German army recently signed a massive contract for up to 186,000 units, entirely replacing their aging service pistols. This is not merely a civilian defensive tool built to a price point. It is a military-grade weapon, heavily vetted under the absolute harshest operational conditions. For the modern market, CZ unleashed the ported edition, bridging the gap between a rugged service sidearm and a flat-shooting competition platform. The foundation of its absolute accuracy is a cold hammer-forged barrel. Unlike cheaper manufacturing methods, CZ takes a drilled steel blank and physically smashes it around a precision machined carbide mandrel with immense hydraulic pressure. This aligns the molecular grain structure of the steel, yielding unmatched bore longevity and thermal stability during intense firing schedules. The ported edition upgrades this to a heavier fluted bull barrel, utilizing an integrated single-port compensator that vents high-pressure gases straight up through a massive slide cutout. When you engage a threat, the mechanics are cinematic. You press the factory trigger, braking at a perfectly crisp 5.5 pounds, and the weapon roars. But instead of violently snapping upward, the muzzle flatly refuses to rise. The heavy carbon steel slide, encased in a black nitride armor, cycles backward with the smooth, relentless glide of a predatory machine. The immense downward force of the vented gas instantly locks your fiber optic front sight back onto the target, allowing you to deliver rapid, consecutive strikes with surgical precision. The deeply undercut trigger guard and aggressive grip texturing anchor the weapon into your hand, completely absorbing the 9mm blast. It operates with a flawless mechanical perfection straight out of the box, requiring zero modifications to defend your life. You can command this absolute pinnacle of affordable combat engineering for a street price of approximately $393 to $449. The 2026 tactical market has permanently altered the rules of engagement. The days of accepting inferior mechanics and limited capabilities to meet a budget are completely dead. From serialized stainless steel chassis systems to cold hammered, forged barrels and integrated gas compensation, the firearms on this list represent the absolute vanguard of modern defensive engineering. They prove that true tactical superiority is no longer defined by a massive price tag, but by ruthless manufacturing efficiency and battlefield-proven reliability. If you are serious about defending your home and maintaining an uncompromising tactical advantage, you need to hit that subscribe button right now. We do not deal in compromises, we deal in survival. Stay armed, stay vigilant, and never surrender the high ground.